Denver's paid out millions in settlements for police conduct during the 2020 George Floyd protests, but now a case in federal court will determine if that response was constitutional. Here's Denver 7's Micah Smith.
In the summer of 2020, while demanding justice for George Floyd and Elijah McClain, LINDSEY Minter says she was hit in the face with a projectile.
I lost a tooth. It was traumatizing. I hadn't done anything wrong. I had been on the sidewalk the whole time. I hadn't violated any street laws.
Minter is one of dozens of protesters who say while demonstrating peacefully, they were met with police brutality in Denver. This has resulted in dozens of lawsuits, and one federal case in particular involving 12 George Floyd protesters and Denver police officers could set a new federal precedent for these cases.
This is the first time that a jury of our peers is going to judge whether the police response during the George Floyd protests here in Denver, which is representative of the police response across the country, was appropriate and constitutional.
Attorney Andy McNulty has been following the case closely after 3 weeks of testimonies from police officers, Denver's police chief, and the city's independent monitor. McNulty says one testimony stands out the most.
One of the most key moments in the entire trial was the testimony of Nick Mitchell, the independent monitor, and talking about these interviews he did of police officers who told him that they were not prepared at all for these protests to erupt.
As we get more information and society changes, we have to update police officer training as well to align with the society's goals.
MSU Associate Criminal Justice Professor STACEY HERVEY says as society changes, officers' training needs to evolve and should include teaching officers how to strike a balance between due process and crime control.
Obviously, people have the right to protest in this country. It's one of the greatest things about this country. But I think when you're really looking at protesting, when does protesting step over the line into destroying the rights of others?
We have our First Amendment rights.
And Minter says no matter what side of the aisle you're on, the jury's decision will have nationwide implications for how and when that right is exercised. Reporting in Denver, Micah Smith, Denver 7.
All right, Micah, thank you. The plaintiffs finished their closing arguments today. The city will present its case next week.